Hi guys, welcome back to Mark's Home Kitchen. Today we're making a delicious chicken and halloumi bake, a dish packed with bold flavours, tender chicken, crispy halloumi and a touch of spice. It's easy to prepare and perfect for a satisfying meal any day of the week. Now let's start by making a simple and flavourful spice blend. In a dry pan over a medium heat, toast 2 teaspoonfuls of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds and half a teaspoon of caraway seeds. Stir them around gently and let them toast until fragrant. This should take about a minute. Toasting the spices releases their essential oils, making them much more flavourful and aromatic. Once toasted, transfer the seeds to a mortar and pestle. Add 1.5 tablespoonfuls of dried chilli, then crush everything together until you have a smooth spice mix. This will give the dish a deep, smoky heat. Now mix in 2 tablespoonfuls of smoked paprika and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir it well until it's fully combined, and that's it. Your homemade spice blend is ready. You can store this in an airtight container for up to a month or use it in other dishes for an extra kick of flavour. Next, let's prepare the chickpeas. Drain and rinse 1 400g tin of chickpeas and place them in a bowl. Add 1.5 tablespoonfuls of rapeseed oil along with 1.5 tablespoons of Harissa spice blend that we just made. Stir everything together, making sure the chickpeas are evenly coated. Set them aside for about 30 minutes to marinate. This will allow the flavours to soak in, giving the chickpeas a rich, spicy taste. Now while the chickpeas marinate, it's time to prep the rest of the ingredients. Roughly chop 1 bell pepper. I'm using yellow, but you can use whatever colour you have on hand. Then rinse 250 grams of baby tomatoes. We're keeping them whole so that they burst with flavour as they cook. Then we'll slice 125 grams of halloumi cheese into 1 cm thick slices. The halloumi will add a nice and salty contrast to the dish and get beautifully golden and crispy in the oven. Now grab a roasting tray and start assembling. Place 2 chicken breasts in the tray, followed by the baby tomatoes, the sliced pepper and the halloumi slices. Right folks, if you're enjoying my video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for notifications. It does help make that I make further videos for you. Drizzle over 1.5 tablespoonfuls of rapeseed oil, then season everything well with salt and freshly ground black pepper. This simple seasoning helps bring out the natural flavours of all the ingredients. Then we're going to place the tray in a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade and cook for 15 minutes. This will allow the chicken to start cooking while the tomatoes begin to soften and release their juices, creating a delicious base for the dish. After 15 minutes, take the tray out of the oven, give everything a quick stir and add in the marinated chickpeas. These will roast alongside the other ingredients, absorbing all those wonderful flavours. Now return the tray to the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked through. The halloumi will turn golden, the tomatoes will be beautifully blistered and the chickpeas will have a slight crispiness to them. And that's it, a flavourful, spicy, cheesy halloumi bake, perfect for an easy dinner. Serve it up with garlic bread or boiled rice to soak up all the delicious juices from the roasted tomatoes and spices. This dish is packed with protein, healthy fats and bold Mediterranean flavours. It's simple to make, yet impressive enough to serve to guests. Give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments how you liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.